Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 96GB memory offers a very high-capacity kit that is ideal for heavy multitasking, content creation, and demanding games on modern desktop systems. Its dual-module design, running at DDR5 6000 MHz with tight latency, delivers noticeably quicker load times and smoother overall responsiveness compared to older memory standards. The modules use carefully selected chips and onboard power regulation, which makes manual tuning and overclocking more stable and less intimidating for enthusiasts. Support for both AMD Expo and Intel XMP profiles means it can reach its rated speeds with minimal setup on a wide range of current motherboards. The solid metal heat spreaders and custom circuit board help keep temperatures in check while maintaining signal integrity during long, intensive workloads. Individually controlled multi-zone lighting integrates cleanly with Corsair iCUE software, letting you synchronize vivid lighting effects with the rest of your system for a polished build.